Are you truly satisfied with where you live right now? Or is the urge to pack up and explore a new city creeping in? You're not alone in this feeling. According to recent statistics, a record number of people are on the move, leaving their current homes for new urban adventures. But what's behind this surge? Are people disillusioned with their current cities? Or is there a more compelling force driving this migration? Hold on to your seats as we will go through the top destinations capturing the imagination of movers in 2024. Which cities are drawing people in with promises of opportunity, culture, and a better quality of life? Stay tuned to uncover which urban centers are rising to the top and why they're creating such a buzz. The answers might just surprise you and could inspire your next big move. Let's dive into why people in the US are flocking to urban areas. The reasons are as varied as the people themselves, and they paint a fascinating picture of what's driving this trend. Some are lured by booming industries offering exciting job opportunities, while others are captivated by vibrant cultural scenes and top-notch amenities. Imagine a place where you can enjoy high-quality healthcare, access cutting-edge technology, and live in an environment that caters to your lifestyle preferences. These cities promise just that, and the allure is undeniable. But there's another significant factor reshaping the urban landscape: the rise of remote work. With more companies embracing flexible work arrangements, people are no longer tethered to living near their offices. This newfound freedom is a game changer, allowing individuals to choose where they want to live based on lifestyle preferences rather than job proximity. Picture being able to select your home in a city known for its outdoor activities or cultural events, not just because it's close to your workplace. Climate also plays a pivotal role in relocation decisions. Many are seeking out cities with more temperate weather, steering clear of places with extreme temperatures. Cities like San Diego and Raleigh are becoming increasingly popular as they offer a more comfortable and enjoyable living experience year-round. It's no wonder. Who doesn't want to enjoy mild weather without the relentless extremes of scorching summers or frigid winters? According to recent surveys, California is struggling to retain residents in 2024. Cities such as Oakland, Long Beach, San Jose, Los Angeles, and Sunnyvale are seeing a stark contrast in search trends, with far more people looking to leave than move in. The Golden State's high cost of living has become a significant hurdle, despite its celebrated diversity and iconic lifestyle. For 3 consecutive years, California has seen a decline in population as reported by the U.S. Census. The main culprit? The exorbitant cost of living, which leaves many dreaming of more affordable housing while still enjoying a high quality of life. Interestingly, while states like Tennessee and Florida are drawing new residents, their big cities like Memphis and Tallahassee are not faring as well. Both cities are experiencing a noticeable increase in searches for moves out. This trend underscores that even within thriving states, not all urban areas are equally appealing. It's a reminder that even in growth hotspots, city-specific challenges can influence relocation preferences. So, if you're feeling that itch to move, remember, you're not alone. Whether it's for a better job, a vibrant cultural scene, or simply a more comfortable climate, there's a city out there that's just right for you. With so many factors at play, the perfect move might be just around the corner. Now, what are the urban hotspots that people are moving to? We've taken a closer look at some of the most popular cities this year, and now it's time to reveal the top 7 U.S. cities people are flocking to in 2024. Each of these cities has a unique allure, offering something special to those seeking a new place to call home. Austin, Texas, stands out for its dynamic mix of technology, live music, and a vibrant cultural scene. Dubbed the live music capital of the world, Austin offers a blend of urban excitement and outdoor adventure, making it a top choice for both young professionals and families. With its tech industry booming and a lifestyle that seamlessly combines work and play, it's no wonder Austin is a favorite. Next up is Denver, Colorado. This city offers stunning natural beauty, nestled against the Rocky Mountains, and a lifestyle that's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Denver's commitment to sustainability and its rapidly growing job market add to its appeal, creating an environment where urban vibrancy meets natural serenity. Raleigh, North Carolina also makes the list. As part of the Research Triangle, Raleigh boasts a strong tech and research presence, excellent schools, and a welcoming community. Its mix of suburban comfort and urban amenities makes it especially attractive to families and professionals looking for a balanced lifestyle. Nashville, Tennessee, renowned for its musical heritage, has seen a significant rise in popularity. Beyond its iconic music scene, Nashville's booming healthcare industry and cultural vibrancy draw people in. The city's southern charm and hospitality make it a truly inviting place to live. In Phoenix, Arizona, residents enjoy a warm climate and a lower cost of living compared to other major cities. Phoenix's rapid growth in the tech sector, coupled with its diverse recreational opportunities, has made it a magnet for those seeking career advancement and a high quality of life. Seattle, Washington, continues to attract new residents with its strong job market, particularly in tech and innovation. The city's natural beauty, progressive culture, and emphasis on sustainability make it an appealing choice, despite its well-known rainy weather. And finally, let's reveal the #1 city on our list: Charlotte, North Carolina. Charlotte has emerged as a major financial hub with a booming job market and a vibrant cultural scene. Its affordable housing, excellent schools, and mild climate make it a standout choice for families and young professionals alike. According to recent data, Charlotte's appeal is rapidly growing, and it's easy to see why. This city combines the best of opportunity and quality of life, making it the top pick for those relocating in 2024. These big cities with the highest in-to-out ratios are not merely popular destinations. They are transforming the very fabric of American life. As people flock to these urban centers, they carry with them a rich tapestry of experiences, ideas, and cultures. This influx is not just reshaping the demographics, but also infusing these cities with a new vibrancy and dynamism. The cultural melting pot of Seattle, the tech innovation of Austin, and the southern charm of Nashville, each city is evolving into a unique mosaic of modern living. According to recent studies, cities like Austin and Denver are seeing record-breaking growth, fueled by their booming job markets and lifestyle perks. As these newcomers integrate, they are not just filling up apartments, they are actively contributing to the cultural and economic vitality of their new homes. So, if you're contemplating a move, one of these top cities might just be your next great adventure. If this video has sparked your curiosity, share it with your friends and help them discover their perfect city too. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more insights into the intriguing world of urban living.